Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Madden NFL 27 game not working, crashes at a startup, freezing problem, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on Xbox console. Whether you are playing the game on Xbox S series or X series. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after following all the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. Step 1, make sure your Xbox is up to date and also make sure your game is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it and also make sure your game is up to date. Step 2 is to clear Madden NFL 27 cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Madden NFL 27 game and then highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click Delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray. Click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then you can skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then click on restart to restart your console. Now after following all the 4 steps, then you can go ahead and launch the Madden NFL 27 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to remove and re-add accounts. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts, select the account in which you are having the issue and then click on remove, then re-add your account and after adding your account, go ahead launch the Madden NFL 27 game and see if that helps or not. Fix 4 is to reinstall Madden NFL 27. Now if nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall Madden NFL 27 game from your Xbox console, then restart your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Madden NFL 27 game not working, not opening, crashing or crashes as a startup, freezing problem, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.